All right, guys, so don't really have too much experience with these things. Got the Max Mods 48 volt conversion kit. Installed it, wired it up. Everything was working well. Got the Y connector going in here. Can't really see in there too well yet, but it is restarting like every maybe 10 minutes or so of riding. Like not even after giving it a whole lot of juice, it just sort of shuts, or throttle turns off, and then the display dies like 5 seconds later, and then wait like 10 seconds, press the power button, comes right back on. Acts like nothing happened. From what I can tell, like none of these connectors are melted or in any state of disrepair. And I'm like 140 pounds, so like fully loaded, I might be pushing like 155 plus my backpack. I got the shark set installed yesterday. Anyway, if anybody has any recommendations or ideas of what I should test or check next, please let me know, I guess. And yeah, thanks for watching.